Hey there, welcome to this video. Now let's learn about prompts and prompt engineering in detail and learn how to command AI models to create amazing content. So buckle up because we are about to get on a very exciting journey by exploring different types of prompts and also learn about the art of prompting. So first thing first, let's figure out what is a prompt. A prompt is like a spark that ignites the AI's creative engine. So it's a stimulus or cue designed to elicit a specific response or action. In the world of natural language processing, NLP, and large language models, a prompt serves as the input that kicks off the magic. So it could be a sentence, a question, a paragraph, or even a detailed instruction. Imagine asking a model to write a story, solve a problem, or answer a question. Whatever you ask, the prompt sets the stage for the AI to perform. For example, let's ask ChatGPT about what are the top 3 benefits of exercise. Here you can see that ChatGPT has responded to us in a very detailed manner, and it says improved physical health, enhanced mental health, and better sleep quality. And underneath all these main points, it has tried to cover sub-points. Now let's look at another example. Let's create a short story, a funny short story. Short story about a cat and a robot. I just asked ChatGPT to create a funny short story about a cat and a robot. Now the cat name is Whiskers and there is another clumsy robot named Sparky. So these are the characters that has been introduced by ChatGPT itself. I haven't done anything. I've just instructed ChatGPT to come up with a funny short story about a cat and a robot. Now let's look at another example. Let's say describe the process of photosynthesis in simple terms. Again, I'm asking ChatGPT to explain the process of photosynthesis, but in simple terms. Let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. So what ChatGPT has tried to do is clearly explain the process of photosynthesis by saying it's like a magical process that plants use to make their own food. So imagine a plant as a tiny factory. Here's how it works in simple terms, and so on. So this is how you can instruct the GPT models or the AI models to solve a problem, write a story, or even ask a question. Now let's look at the core ingredients of effective prompts. To create a powerful prompt, we need to understand its essential elements. Let's break them down. First thing is the instruction. The instruction is the heart of your prompt. It directs the AI on what action to take or what response is needed. Clear and concise instructions are key to getting accurate and relevant outputs. So think of instructions as your roadmap to success. Let's look at an example. Let's say explain how renewable energy sources can help combat climate change. So over here you can see that after directing the AI on what action to take or what response is needed, it explained to me how renewable energy sources can help combat climate change by providing me several points in detail. These models are creating new information by learning through the patterns of the data or the questions that I am asking. Now next, the other core ingredient in AI is the context. Now context provides the background or additional information that helps the AI understand the prompt better. It can include details about the audience, the purpose of the task, or any relevant specifics. The more context you provide, the more accurate and tailored the response will be. For example, I want to write a blog post about the benefits of meditation for beginners, highlighting its impact on mental health and stress reduction. So over here, what I've tried to do is that I have highlighted the audience and I have highlighted what I want to achieve. I want to know the benefits of what? Of highlighting the impact of mental health and stress reduction. So if I run it, ChatGPT has come up with a blog post that I can literally go and post on any blog at the moment. But this is specifically for the audience for beginners. And it has summarized all the points for me in a very detailed way, including a conclusion. Now, another core ingredient of effective prompting is the constraints. Now, constraints are the rules or limitations that shape the output. They guide the AI to produce content that meets certain criteria or fits within specific boundaries. Constraints can be about word limits, what tone the output should have, or specific elements that must be included. For example, this prompt, write a 200-word product review for a new smartphone. Include features, pros and cons, and a final recommendation. So over here, ChatGPT comes up with a 200-word product review for a new smartphone, which is TechWave X200 smartphone. And it gives all the details and features and also some pros and cons. And in the end, it just tells the recommendation. So in conclusion, the TechWave X200 is an excellent choice for tech enthusiasts and power users seeking a high-performance smartphone. Despite minor limitations, its impressive features and overall performance make it a highly recommended purchase. So ChatGPT recommends the phone. Now over here, what we try to do is we ask ChatGPT to have a word limit. And we also asked it to include only certain areas that fit the product. So this is a perfect example when you are writing prompts with constraints. Now, another interesting thing that you can do with AI models is describe the format or the structure or layout of the generated text. Now, by specifying the format, you ensure the output is organized and easy to understand. And what this does is it helps maintain consistency and clarity in the generated content. So, for example, summarize the following article into bullet points, highlighting key points and important facts. And this is the link. So I've picked a link from National Geographic, and my article is about global warming. So let's see what ChatGPT has to say. It just summarizes everything, highlighting the key points into bullet points with adding important facts as well. So this is how you can instruct AI models to create your desired content. All you need to do is let the models know exactly what to do. And we are going to learn about how to create more perfect prompts in the upcoming lesson. So I hope this video made sense. I'm going to see you in the next lesson. Keep learning and of course, keep practicing.